later in the morning. And here we have Piper, our just about resident pied butcher bird who's been coming since a juvenile back in February. He now visits with 2 or 3 of his siblings and his parents. Here he is on his own. Up here is Mr Kingy. He's been coming for years. King Parrot, male. Over here is Mrs Kingy. The light is not good. I'm going to try and get around, but she's very skittish. Yep, here we go. Trying to get round here, see if I can get them for you. Over here is one of our Kookaburras. Busy morning as usual. King parrots have been coming again quite regularly. Getting ready for the breeding season. That'll be happening in a month or so, I guess. And back to pied. I better give him something to eat, that's what he's hanging around for.